Welcome to my cooking channel, Ashwini Tarkar's cookbook. Let's get started with today's recipe.
Shevaya Sheera or Vermicilli Sheera is a Goan tea time snack, very popular. Let us see how to make it. We need 100 grams Shevaya or Vermicilli. I have used the super fine ones. You can use any variety. Take 2 cups water and keep it to boil. We will use up all this water for the 100 gram Shevaya. Heat a kadai and add 1.5 tablespoon ghee. Fry cashew nut and raisins 2 tablespoons each. This can vary according to your taste. Don't fry it too much, just lightly. Remove it and keep it aside. Now in the remaining ghee, add 2 cloves. This imparts a very nice flavor. Add the vermicelli. Now we will roast this on low flame till light golden. You have to take a bigger kadai because the sevia will come out while frying. So now add the boiling water in small batches. Do not add the entire water in one go. Some shevia will overcook and some will not get cooked, and it will spoil the whole appearance of the sheera. So use it in small batches. Once the water evaporates, then you add more. So keep adding till you reach half quantity. Then add salt to taste, very less because this is a sweet sheera, and retain 1 spoon of water to add at the last. Now make sure that the vermicelli is cooked. Add half cup fresh coconut and add the last spoon of water. Let the coconut cook and add half cup sugar and mix well. Now the sugar will form into a syrup. So all this process has to be on low flame only. Mix well, add cashew nuts and raisins and add half teaspoon cardamom powder. Mix well and keep for 10 minutes. You can cover it or let it just be. The sugar will melt and form a syrup. Now after 10 minutes, switch off the gas and stir to separate the vermicelli. Serve in a bowl. You can see how the vermicelli is separate and tastes good and looks also good. Serve it for evening snacks or breakfast. Happy cooking!
Thank you for watching. If you have liked my recipe, subscribe, like, and share it with someone who loves cooking. See you in the next video.